something at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, rolling on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit